How to sew a zipper pouch. Hello, I'm Maggie from Around the Year. Today I'll show you how to sew a zipper pouch. They're extremely easy to make, which makes them great for beginners, and they're extremely versatile as well.
It's a good idea to start by pressing your fabric and also pressing the seam allowances in place, especially where the zipper will go. I used to skip pressing all the time, but if you really want to give your project a neat and professional finish, always press. We'll now attach the lining to the underside of the zipper, like so. Already the pressed seam allowance makes a big difference, as we'll use it as a guide. Once pinned securely in place, it's time to sew. As you can see, I'm using a zipper foot here, but you can do this with a standard foot as well. Now place the outer fabric on the zip and sew it in place. Place the pouch on the table like so, and you can pin the other end of the lining to the zipper. I forgot to fold over the seam allowance, but luckily there was a selvage there, so it didn't matter. If you're doing this, don't forget to fold your seam allowance first, like we did the first time. Again, sew it in place.
While I do that, I would really appreciate it if you go and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you're enjoying it so far.
Now we'll also attach the other side of the outside fabric. I will now trim the sides, so I get rid of the zipper ends, and to get a smooth edge. Then we'll turn everything inside out like so, to sew the side seams of the pouch. Don't forget to leave an opening in the lining to turn the pouch right side out. I would also recommend to open the zipper and sew the side with the zipper pull first, as it's less fiddly to do the other side later. After turning the pouch right side out, we can sew the opening shut. To do that, gently pull the seam so the raw edges fold to the inside, and once the edges are nicely aligned, we can top stitch the opening shut right along the edge. Once it's done, we'll turn the lining into the pouch and poke out the corners. I added a little fabric zipper pull as well. It's completely optional, but very cute, especially if you use a scrap of the lining fabric for it.
And here is the finished pouch. These are great for storing pencils or makeup, or even to put in your handbag to hide some things you don't want everyone to see and to keep everything nice and organized. Whatever you plan to use them for, it's an extremely cute solution for storage problems, and they make great gifts as well. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to my free newsletter to get bonus resources, and I will see you next time.